Most of you are saying business is hard because you're still doing everything yourself. I hate to say that, but that's the truth. Running a business in 2026 doesn't have to be that difficult because yes, we have AI now. Imagine you working with a team but you're still doing everything alone. That's what AI actually does. Most businesses are still doing everything themselves. They are still writing captions themselves. They are still writing scripts, content scripts themselves. So many things that you can do with AI, you're still doing it yourself. So in this video, I'm going to open your eyes to a lot of things you didn't know you can do with AI as a business owner in this video. So you need to watch to the end because you don't want to miss any particular part. So most people are still doing everything manually in their business when others are using AI to save time, make things faster and grow their business. So I'm going to teach you everything about AI in this video. So if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Precious. I'm on a 30 days journey on starting up a business with no money. For those of us that don't know what AI is, so AI is artificial intelligence. Is a technology that helps you make your work easier and faster. So AI can help you write, it can help you design, it can help you get content ideas, it can help you brainstorm, it can help you plan, it can help you make research. And the crazy thing is that most people are using this AI without even realizing it. So why do we need AI in our business? So why do you need AI as a small business owner? As a small business owner, you're an accountant, you're the one doing the production, you're the one going to market, you're the marketer, you're everything at once. So with AI makes your work easier, it makes your work faster, and it helps you reduce stress. So instead of using 5 hours thinking about caption, AI can help you generate those captions in less than few minutes. Okay, and AI can also help you with your design and a lot more. So the aim is not to stop your creativity, the aim is to make your work easier and faster. Let me share some ways you can actually use AI for your business. You can use AI to write captions. Writing caption every time can be stressful, or writing caption daily can be stressful. So you can use AI to write captions for your Instagram, your Facebook, TikTok, even on WhatsApp. You can also use AI to write hooks. You can use AI to write product descriptions, and the list goes on and on. As a small business owner, you can also use AI to create content. AI can give you content ideas. So AI can help you with your content creation. It can help you with hooks. It can help you with video ideas. It can help you with pictures ideas. It can also help you generate pictures and a lot more for your content. Yes, so you can use AI in writing captions. You can use AI for your content. It can also give you hashtags. Yes, even for your YouTube description, you can use AI. And you can also use AI to design for your business. You can use AI to create flyers. You can use AI to create logos for your business. So AI is also good at designing. If you know that you can use AI to design, let me know in the comment section. But if you're just finding it out for the first time, also let me know in the comment section. You can also use AI to generate videos. Yes, you can use AI to generate video. I already have a video on how you can generate images and how you can generate videos with AI, so you can go check out my video if you're curious about it. So one thing you can also use AI to do is to research. Sometime last year when I first started using I used AI to make like 100k in 7 days, and I shared that video. So if you want to watch that video, I'll be leaving it in the description, how I made 100k in 7 days using AI. And that was last year, right, when I started using AI for the first time. So yes, you can also use AI to make research. You can use AI to get business ideas. You can use AI to research the market trend, research your competitors. You can use AI to write business plan and a lot more. Talking of business plan, I've done the work for you, and I'm leaving my templates in the description, so you can also get my business plan templates. There are some free AI tools that small businesses can use. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Meta AI, you can also use Gemini, you can use Claude, you can use CapCut AI, you can use Canva AI, Grammarly to help you structure your writings. There's one mistake people actually make with AI. People just copy AI back to back. Yes, you don't need to pause your creativity with AI. You just need to use AI to make your work smarter. So while using AI, think smarter. Don't just copy everything from AI, because most of us can tell that this is AI. You need to be creative. Put your creativity at work. We are entering into a new business era. You need to learn how to grow, you need to learn how to use technology in your business, you need to learn how to be creative, you need to learn how to solve people's problem. Yes, and you can do all that using AI. So if you like this video, you enjoyed this video, you learned something new today, do what to like this video, hit on that like button. Tell me in the comment section if you've been using AI before, or this is your first time hearing about AI. Share this video to any business owner that you know, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.